I mix petroleum jelly with lemon. This saves me a ton of money. I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. This solution is much cheaper, simpler, and better. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly that many people use. But not everyone knows its wide range of applications. If you combine it with lemon, you'll get a super cheap cosmetic product. Transfer 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly to a small clean bowl. Take 1 lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1/2. If any seeds get into the juice, strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Prepare a steam bath. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice over a pot of hot water. Heat until the ingredients are dissolved. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Mix everything thoroughly. Lemons improve the skin's texture. They brighten the complexion and remove blemishes. They reduce the number of blackheads. Once the mixture has cooled down, you can apply it to your face, neck, and decollete. If you have makeup on, remove it first. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow the skin to absorb it well. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be properly moisturized and nourished. With daily care, you'll see results in just a few days. Not many people know these uses for Vaseline, but everyone should. Today, I'll show you a few simple tricks that really make life easier. Vaseline isn't just great for your skin. It also works as an excellent lubricant and preservative that protects surfaces. Just rub a little onto clean tires with a soft microfiber cloth. They'll regain their deep color and look like new, while staying protected from cracking and drying out. Another great use? The dashboard. Lightly wipe it with Vaseline to give it a smooth satin finish and protect it from UV damage that causes cracking and fading. You can do the same with the steering wheel so it stays looking new and flexible longer. And don't forget the plastic trim on the doors. Vaseline restores color depth and even helps hide small scratches. It's a cheap, super effective hack that makes a big difference. Crack an egg into Vaseline. This unusual mix has an incredibly powerful effect and can save you a lot of money. Start with a small bowl and crack in a fresh egg. In this trick, the yolk is the key. It's full of vitamins and fats that nourish and repair. Add a little bit of the egg white too, as it has a light tightening and cleansing effect, making the mixture more effective. Next comes Vaseline. It deeply softens and locks in moisture. Add 1 spoonful to the egg, then take a lime, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice from 1/2. Lime is rich in vitamin C and natural fruit acids, gently brightening dark spots and evening out skin tone. Mix everything well until smooth. Apply the mask to your hands, face, or neckline, focusing on dry areas, and massage gently into the skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes. After rinsing, your skin will feel incredibly soft, deeply hydrated, and glowing. This simple home remedy can give you better results than many expensive creams from the store. This combination rejuvenates the skin. It tightens and brightens the complexion, making you look younger. Your skin becomes like that of a 20-year-old. It erases wrinkles and delays the effects of aging. The face is smooth and radiant, and all you need is primarily Nivea cream. Many women around the world use this popular cream. It gives the skin softness, eliminates fine lines, protects the skin from drying out, and removes discoloration, but you can use it even better. Turn it into a super cosmetic. Squeeze some lemon juice into the Nivea cream. Lemon makes the skin radiant, making spots and discoloration disappear. Add a teaspoon of powdered milk. It's the perfect, nourishing ingredient for many facial cosmetics. It brightens the complexion, nourishes, and improves its appearance. Finally, add a teaspoon of petroleum jelly. It will further moisturize, soften, and firm the skin. Use such a cream as a mask. Apply it to your face, neck, and décolleté in the evening. Leave it on the skin for at least an hour. After this time, spread the mask on the skin again and remove any excess. Your skin will be younger by many years. Pour turmeric into Vaseline. This simple combination will give you a feeling of lightness in no time. The exact proportions are important, so pay close attention. Prepare a tall glass container and add 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric. Its natural properties help soften the skin and support its regeneration after a long day, while also providing a soothing effect. Then add just under 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, which gives the mixture a smooth texture, softens the skin, and helps keep it in good condition. Now it's time for the oil, but not just any oil. It must be coconut oil so the mixture becomes silky and easy to spread. Coconut oil also deeply moisturizes, nourishes, has antibacterial properties, and leaves the skin smooth and supple. Mix everything well until you get a uniform paste. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which acts as a gentle exfoliant and cleanser for the skin, with mild antibacterial and antifungal effects. Mix again until all ingredients are perfectly combined. Apply the prepared paste to your knee, spreading it evenly. Then wrap it with plastic wrap to keep the area warm and boost the effectiveness of the ingredients. Go to sleep, and in the morning you'll feel pleasant relief and lightness in that part of your body. You'll see that just one night is enough for your knees to feel true comfort. Add salt to Vaseline. This is a simple yet highly effective home remedy, and you'll notice the results right away. All you need is regular cosmetic Vaseline, something most people already have at home, though few realize how many uses it has. In a small bowl, place just under 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline has numerous properties that make it one of the most versatile skincare products. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt, preferably fine-grained. This subtle step will make the result more complete and noticeable. Mix thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Apply it to the desired areas of your body, massaging in circular motions. Leave it on for about 10 minutes to let the ingredients work, then rinse off with warm water. You'll instantly feel your skin change, soft, firm, and as if awakened to life. This homemade salt scrub not only cleanses the skin, but also stimulates microcirculation, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to skin cells. Used regularly, it can become your ally in reducing cellulite. Cellulite is the characteristic unevenness of the skin caused by fat deposits under its surface. Try it once, and you'll feel the difference after just 1 treatment. You won't believe how this simple trick can unclog your drain in just a few minutes. Plumbers never share this secret. Clogged drains are a common issue. Food scraps, grease, and buildup collect inside the pipes. But there's an easy fix. First, scoop all the water out of the sink into a bowl or a bucket. Remove the strainer and sprinkle in a few tablespoons of table salt. Salt works as a natural cleaner. It breaks down residue and disinfects. Boil some water in a kettle and pour it straight into the drain opening. This helps the salt reach the tough spots inside the pipes. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a homemade mixture. In a small bowl, add half a tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline creates a protective layer so grease and grime won't stick easily to the pipe walls. Next, pour in about 3½ ounces of any dish soap. Dish soap dissolves grease and lifts dirt. Mix well until the Vaseline melts completely. Use this mixture to clean the entire sink and faucet. It will polish, remove stains, and protect against water spots. Then pour the rest down the drain. The combination of these ingredients prevents grease and food scraps from clinging to the inside of your pipes. Let it sit for a few minutes, then flush with water. With this simple method, your sink will stay unclogged, odors will disappear, and your pipes will have a protective coating.